and try to film a video. Hello, my fellow makeup enthusiasts. Welcome back to another edition of Makeup Use Disorder. Not an official DSM diagnosis, but it should be. My name is Lainey. If you are joining for... My name is Lainey. If you are joining me for the first time, welcome. Thank you for watching. This is not my choice, this rubble in the background. I am living in the Houston area. We flooded during Harvey and it's still not fixed. This is not a stylistic choice. So, okay, February, Sephora Play. I already ripped into this. I was actually excited about this. This is an Atelier fragrance. It is Vanille Insensée, and it smells nice. I do like Atelier. I have Orange Sanguine, and I do really enjoy that one. I have another one, California Clementine. I got that in a previous Sephora Play. I do like that one. I'm a person who really likes the fragrances. I've gotten a couple of turds, but for the most part, I really enjoy the fragrances that they send to me. Having said that, I much prefer my Scentbird subscription. Should I talk about that? Scentbird is a $14.95 per month fragrance subscription, and you get to pick your own fragrance, and I really appreciate that. They don't have the best selection, but they have a decent selection. I am never unable to find a fragrance that I would love to try. I usually end up really liking it because I usually pick things that I've sniffed in the store and I want. So I'll put the link down below. In fact, I might do a whole video where I review that subscription because I really, really like it. Would you guys want to watch a video where I'm just talking about the way things smell? I watch perfume videos. I watch fragrance videos. But I'm really obsessed with perfume and fragrance and body products and bath products. So I don't know, tell me, is that something that people would watch? Because I'll do it. I love to talk about that stuff. Anyway, okay, so good fragrance. I usually like the fragrance. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the stuff that I know I'm not going to use. I don't think I'm going to use this Peter Thomas Roth Firm Peeling Gel Exfoliant. I'm afraid of this. My skin has just started to calm down. I'm scared of this. Do you want me to do a giveaway? I mean, I don't feel like I'm big enough to do giveaways. Maybe I should be doing giveaways because I'm still tiny. But yeah, I'm scared of this. So I'm not gonna touch it. Does it have the little condom on it? Yes, see, it's sealed. So it will stay sealed and I'll do a giveaway. The other product that I'm going to leave in the box because I'm not going to use this is a Sephora brand Rouge Matte in the shade Rebel Chic. I like that. And I like the looks of this color. I just don't like to use these little baby lipsticks. I think they're so cute and I want to like them. There's something about the size of these bullets that makes the lipstick feather. It has to be the size because even Tom Ford does that on me. It's something about me. I wish I could scientifically explain it. I usually like to scientifically explain things. I can't explain this. This size does not work for my lips. And so I have thrown out every one of them that I've ever tried. I still have the Tom Ford. I didn't throw that out, but I don't use it because it feathers. So I'll put this in a giveaway. And then I'm gonna leave this sealed as well because I know that I'm not going to use this. This is a Laura Mercier Caviar Stick. I've heard great things about this, but I've used a lot of these stick eyeshadows and I don't like them. I have oily eyelids and these just slide off. And it's a rose gold shade. I'm not a super big rose gold fan. I think it's pretty. I like to wear rose gold jewelry. Why can't I say rose gold without feeling awkward? But I don't like it on my face. It's too warm for me. So I'm not gonna use this. Would you like it? Onto a product that I know I will use because I have used it before and I loved it and I almost bought a full size, but I think I ended up with some other eye cream sample that worked fine. This is the BELIF Moisturizing Eye Balm. I love this stuff. It's great. I use the moisturizing balm all the time and I did get that in a Sephora Play. Thank you for helping me discover that, Sephora. I don't like the Aqua Balm. The Aqua Balm is worthless if you have super dry skin. And I know it's great if you have oilier skin, but I mean, my skin is as dry as my knickers on a bad date. So I need all the moisture that I can get. Moisturizing balm is bomb. Aqua Balm is a turd. For me. For me. I know it's a good product. It does nothing for me, but the moisturizing eye balm I like and I'll use. And then we have a NARS lipstick. I went ahead and swatched it. I have lots of lipsticks in this shade, but I really like this shade, and I'm curious how this is going to actually perform. It smells really good. You know, I'm such a sucker for sweet smelling products. I love the smell of this. I think I've used NARS lip crayon type things before, and I think I did like them. I don't think I liked them enough to buy them, or no, I didn't like the color. I like the product, hated the color. I do like this color. It reminds me a lot of the color that I'm wearing. This is Pat McGrath. I have a Tom Ford lipstick. I got bougie one day and impulse bought a lipstick in the shade Stimulant. It is a softer pink than this, but I know for the longest time I was saying, I don't like pink lipsticks. I don't do pink. I have to have red. It can be a blue red, it can be an orange red, but it has to be red. I don't do pink. Turns out, I do pink. I like pink. That sounded like a lesbian confession. And whatever, it sounded okay. Lesbians are like bow ties. They're cool. I keep smelling this fragrance. I really do like it. I liked it at first, but I'm liking it more and more as I keep sniffing it. So yeah, I'm probably gonna keep this subscription. We got 3 out of 6, half. I'm good with that. But yeah, these three guys, I don't think they're probably not bad products. I've heard good things about all of them. The Peter Thomas Roth Peeling Gel and the Laura Mercier Caviar Stick and the Sephora brand Rebel Chic Lipstick. I don't really know how I'm gonna do this. I've thought about doing a giveaway when I hit 100 subscribers. I'm not in any big hurry. Honestly, I'm having a lot of fun with this. I don't care that I'm embryonic on here. But I mean, it'd be cool to get more subscribers. But I don't want people to subscribe to me just because I'm doing a giveaway. You know what I mean? Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna set these aside. This is gonna go on for 1 week. And all you have to do is comment on this video and say, I wanna be entered, be subscribed. I don't care if you share me or if you kiss my ass. You don't need to kiss my ass. So just say, I want it, and I will jot down your name on a little sheet of paper. I will put all of the names in a hat. I will shake the hat in front of my cat who likes to eat paper. So he will dip into it, and I guarantee you he will get something in his mouth. I will not let him eat it. I will take it from his mouth and then give him a treat for participating. And whoever Sylvester picks is the winner. Sound fair? So that wraps it up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Very special shout out to you. If you're watching this video on the toilet, follow me on Instagram. I will follow you back. Be sure to subscribe. Throw me a pity like. Give me some encouragement to make some more videos. And until next time, stay adorably obsessed with makeup. That was awkward. I was gonna salute and then I was gonna blow a kiss and I just went, I'm leaving it in. Thanks guys.